Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back, friends. I hope you had an awesome fall break. I'm excited to be back. Okay, we are going to do our calendar. Okay, we have our month, which is October. So let's sing our months of the year song. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, friends, it is October. October. We have a lot of days that we need to add to our calendar. So, what comes after 14? We did not have school. Let's start with 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. A 1 and a 5 goes right here. We did not have school that day, did we? Okay, and we did not have school after 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. No school on the 16th either. And what comes after 16? 17. A 1 and a 7. And what comes after 17? 18. That was yesterday. And today is, what comes after 18? 19. 19. So today is October the 19th, 2020. Here we go. 7 days of the week. There's 7 days. There's 7 days. There's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days. There's 7 days. There's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, friends, today is marvelous what? Monday. Today is Marvelous Monday or Magnificent Monday, whatever we want it to be. So if today is Monday, what is tomorrow? Sunday, Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow will be Tuesday. What comes before Monday? What was yesterday? Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday. Sunday, right? Sunday. Whoops, Sunday. Okay, so yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's add a straw for the number of days that we've been in school and a tally. We have 4, so Mrs. Hensley needs to do a line across. 4 to make 5. Okay, let's count. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's see if we have 35 tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're writing a 35, which is a 3 and a 5, friends. Okay? A 3 and a 5. We're going over here because we're going to write the date. First of all, Statue of Liberty is a symbol of the United States, our country, and she is located in New York in the New York Harbor. Okay? American flag, United States of America flag, 50 stars for the 50 states, 13 stripes for the 13 colonies. Okay, friends, it is time to write the date. October is the 10th month, and it is the 19th, so it's October the 19th, 20. Okay, or we will abbreviate October. 2020. And you might have a little bit of a glare, and if so, I am so sorry. Okay, that is how we write the date. Let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to do today. Today we have all of our letter sound cards again. So we will be doing all of our letter sound cards. We will have letter naming fluency. We will have our October journal writing again. We will be reading a book called Hello Fall and learning new vocabulary words. And we will also be learning about verbs. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you about that. For math, we will be learning a fun song and learning some new signs. Okay, so that is what we will be doing today. And I want you to tell me, some of you may have already sent me pictures of what you did over fall break, but Mrs. Hensley wants you to tell me something good that happened over fall break. Something good that happened over fall break, okay? I hope you guys have a marvelous, magnificent Monday, and Mrs. Hensley also wants a red circle. Tell me something good and give me a red circle, okay? Have a marvelous, magnificent Monday, and I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.